Checking. Wait. Hi guys, welcome to my live stream today. It's April 3, 2023 and it's 11:56 p.m. Philippine time. Let's go over Bitcoin first and then after that chart request. So as you can see in my chart or in my screen, this is actually the monthly time frame of BTC using Bitstamp because this is the longest chart versus the other exchanges. So I think for those who have watched my previous videos, this is still the chart that I've been using since I think since I start streaming. So let me just explain it a bit. In every cycle, there is actually 4 years for this cycle. 1 year, more or less 1 year bear market, and then the remaining more or less 3 years, that's the bull market. So I also add here the red line here as the halving. This is the first halving, second halving, third, and possibly the fourth around April 1. April 1? Was it April 1? Oh, I'm using the monthly, so maybe let's use the daily on that. Because I think all April something, around April 28th, 2024 will be the estimated fourth halving. Let's go to the monthly first. So the blue lines, so that's actually what I use for the 4 year period. So I'm expecting more or less a risk of point around October, starting October to December 2025 as the end of the possible bull market. Wait. Yeah. But if you use the halving, um, yeah, I'm just checking it out. Where's the rest of my there. Okay, but if you use the but if you use the halving, more or less, there is here on the first halving, there is estimated 365 days before the bull ends. Here around more or less that's 2 years, no? More or less 2 years, 17, more than 1 year, no? 365. More than 1 year, 1.4 years, and this one around 549. So if we're gonna use that uh on the 365 or estimated 1 year, more or less I'm expecting around this as the end of the possible bull market, which is around, yeah, because monthly might not be exact, so we'll just use the daily on that. However, this is also an estimate, so possibly around, I cannot see it. Why is not? Wait. So possibly around May 2025 to possible end of it around October, also October 2025, which is more or less close to the one that I've also used, because what I've used is the peak, and then it ends on another peak. So more or less within the range. So it will start around May to possibly December 2025 as the possible end of the bull market if ever it repeats the previous cycle. Of course, we will not what's this? We will not expect the same. This is just a possible estimate. Like for example, this one it ends around 366 days, 527 or 548. So there's no exact. So yeah, for me my plan is to rest off around October to December. That's my plan because previously I on this one I actually end around I think I risk off around January. However, this one, yeah, I failed to I failed to risk off. Anyway, so I think that's it for my long term view for yeah, I think I haven't discussed it yet. But I think there's already three bullish confirmations. If we use the 7 days or a weekly time frame. So there is a bullish divergence that have been formed. That's first, a bullish divergence over there. Second is that of course it's a breakout from the resistance and now it becomes a support here. That's second, and of course the final confirmation is of course it's back to its long-term trend line. So which is here. Actually, I have an alert on that because once it of course break down from that support level I'm looking at, of course possibly retest to 20,000. So that's the first key or level I'm looking at. So there's alert on it, and there's a second alert on this line also around more or less 26,400. So which is I think it retests around mostly close to it. Yeah, let me just go back to that monthly. Because this is also an exciting part that I really wanted to share. Because if you look at it, this is actually a doji. So as long as it holds above that doji, expect really a possible continuation of it. As long as it holds on our bullish support above the our support area or support trend here. Yeah, actually I already lock and I have an alert on it so that it will not change once I do my analysis also. So I think that's it for now. For maybe for short term traders using daily, because what I've said is of course for long term or for holders. For um short term traders, you can actually see here that's already a doji. So expect a possible retest to our long term bullish what's this uh bullish support area around 26,400 area. Yeah, if you're trading on a daily, yeah, you can actually set an alert on that above the bullish, because one it's around 29 more or less 28,800 or 29, then that will be a possible bull and a retest to around 30.6 thousand dollars. Diba? Ako kasi nag-a-alert kasi ako pag ano. Currently right now I'm not trading much kasi Holy Weekend. Aside from that, I also have an upcoming project, so medyo busy-busyhan lang. So yan, tanggalin ko na siya. Kasi dito lang talaga ako nakaano Hindi naman siya umabot Actually, hindi siya umabot. Depende kasi sa sa chart na tinitignan ninyo Kasi kung titignan natin ang Coinbase, 'di ba? Medyo iba din kasi yung ano niya eh, 'di ba? But then again, pareho sila ngayon, no? Parehong lumabas din yung doji. Normally kasi tinitingnan ko yung indecision point eh. And then the next candle after that indecision. So ibig sabihin mas malakas. Katulad dito sa check natin. Check nga natin to. Hindi siya na gano'n. No? Hindi pala siya na gano'n. Pero more or less ano din siya eh. Para ano din siya. Doji din siya. Ito talaga pa doji ng ano. Anyways, yun lang siguro ang masasabi ko for now. I think you can actually also measure the possible risk reward for the holders, ano. And of course, even the day traders or short-term traders. Ako kasi, ang risk reward ko is at least 3. So, kapag hindi siya umabot ng 3, wait ako for possible or for better opportunities. Dati, gamit ko is risk return of 2. Kaso, because of the volatility of the market, and aside from the volatility, of course, the rewards itself, part of my risk management, syempre, mas maganda, mas higher ang risk reward ratio. So, para sa akin, I think 3 is good enough. More than good enough. Actually, 2, good na din siya. However, 3 is, of course, much better. Pag mas ano, yun nga lang kasi, syempre talagang mag-aantay ka, di ba? And after that, I think we have chart request, ETH. And then, yeah, if you have some questions, then feel free to ask. Are we connected? Yeah. If you have some questions, then feel free to ask. Else, then let me just end this stream na agad, di ba? It's actually 12:07 a.m., April 4. April 4 na, no? Dati plan kong na ano na to, mag-stream ng April 1. Kaso baka mamaya, April Fool's Day, walang maniwala. Anyway, yan. Ang ganda na. I don't know. Hopefully, we can actually reach this one, no? A resistance. But yeah, we'll see. It's actually it's too high. Para sa akin, it's too high. But anyway, let's just see how it goes. Basta yun talaga ang plano ko. Kasi dito hindi rin ako nakapag risk off eh. So after nun siguro, syempre antayin na lang natin ulit 1 year or less. 1 year or more, di ba? Siguro after 1 year siguro, then start accumulating na ulit, di ba? Dito. Anyways, no? Medyo mataas yung in-expect kong target talaga, no? Anyway, let's use this one. Ayun, kahit si it, baka English pala siya. Ang kulit ko lang yan. Yeah, anyway, let me just draw what's this? Long-term trend using the monthly. Monthly talaga eh. Diba? Actually, if I'm gonna trade this one, yeah, on a long-term point of view, pak, it's also a doji over there and a bullish candle right after that. So, syempre kapag ako nito, syempre measure ko na agad yung possible risk of point, di ba? It's for long-term holders, syempre dun, ina-expect ko talaga, di ba? And of course, yung support area dito. So, makikita mo yung possible risk-reward ratio which is at 10.42 for long-term holders. Anyway, let's around that, no? Wait. For long-term holders, I'm expecting around 8,500 more or less as a possible target, and a support around 1,200 area. With a possible risk reward ratio of 10.42. Let me just delete that. And yeah, I don't know what his plan eh. Maybe. So let's check on the daily. Um, you know. Wait. So kung daily to, makikita mo na agad oh. Yes, immediate resistance dito. Diba? Around 19, 1860. You can set an alert on that and expect a possible target kapag breakout siya to around $2,000. Oh, diba? And of course, support saan? Immediate support syempre sa dito, diba? Around 1760 or 66. Makita nyo doji and then doji. So, daily daily pala, daily, no? Yeah. Because for long term, ano na yun? Around 1-2 ang support natin dito. I'm looking at 1-2 support and then an expectation around 8,500 as a possible target based on long-term trend. For shorter trades, if I'm gonna trade this one, of course I'll gonna measure the risk reward, which is more or less 1:1. So at this point I might not possibly do anything, but of course I'll gonna set an alert on 1860. If it breaks above that, and anyway, target around 2000 long after it break out that 1860, and of course the stop loss around the doji. O, di ba? Ganun ka agad. Mag-set ka na ng alert. How to set an alert? Just choose whatever trends that you wanted to put. You can actually put this horizontal ray or horizontal line. Diba? Or even the trend light itself meron siyang there is an alert, then just click an alert so that at least when it reaches that this area, then you will be notified. You can actually choose whatever you want, like for example only once per bar or per close or per minute. So there, I choose open-ended. I normally use open-ended. It's because so that at least it will not expire, no? So I think that's it for Ethereum. Yeah, it depends on his plan So I think I discussed naman the both, no? Both the long term and the short term. So for long term, 8,500 target, support around 1,200. For short term, what's this? Yeah, I expect a breakout. I'm expecting a breakout around 1,860. Once it break that 1,860, then I'll go long, target $2,000, and then yeah, I'll just put a stop loss around close to that doji. Diba? I think that's it for Ethereum. Anyway, if you have some chart requests, then feel free to ask. Else, I'm gonna end the stream. What else? Yeah. Let's just check a bit of the dominance. So what happened here now? Yeah, cause last time it's cause I'm expecting a resistance at 47 percent, but it seems like let's see. Let's see. Yeah, cause it's already wait lang. Let's look at the daily. Retest first, second retest. Yeah, a bit few, no? So, anyway, let's see. Kasi sa mga medyo nag-ano naman siya eh. Close to 48, 47 plus kasi percent eh. However, if it's sustained, pag nag-breakout siya, if ever it break out that 48, yeah, I'm looking at actually at 57% eh. So, Bitcoin dominance talaga. Ay, sorry. What happened? So, I wonder what's gonna happen if it retests this one. No? Syempre, it's a bullish for Bitcoin and yeah, it might gonna hurt the altcoins. So anyway, let's see. What else? Yeah, let me just check on the how's the total. It's already 1.13 trillion dollars. Just check. Okay, almost close, no? Possible 131 na. Medyo ano kasi siya, no? Wait. Let's just check on the trend of the whole crypto market cap. Sorry. Ay, nako. Let me just arrange it a bit. I don't know why. Pambihira naman. Okay. Kasi nasa ano siya eh, close to support na siya eh. Pak. Diba? So, yeah eh. Yeah, kasi naman sa 7 days, three bullish confirmations na eh. And even here, no, it's actually very close to the support area. Oh. And actually, also set an alert. Para siyang ano din, it seems look like Ethereum, no? Which is close to support also. More or less, let me just check on the possible. More or less close. I'm a bit, close to Ethereum. Kasi 10.42 yung possible risk reward ng Ethereum, no? And this is 10.38 possible risk reward, if ever. So, I'm expecting around 5.54 $7 trillion market cap of the whole crypto market cap, total market cap, I mean. So wow, awesome. So hopefully we can ride this one. We have more or less, wait, let's, so from here to here medyo matagal pa, di ba? Let me just measure it a bit. So from here, we are here. Medyo hindi kasi siya assumptions lang to, kung ilang days pa, no. On the very close, no. We still have 764 days before it ends on the earliest possible end of bull run. So anyway, so hopefully we can actually join the ride. So I think that's it. Malay, what language? That's tagged. Di ko alam paano ko. English and Filipino lang naman yung ginamit ko. I'm using English and Filipino. Tagalog. Ang kulit ko lang. Sorry. Might be a foreigner. Of course, he's a foreigner. Ang pambihira. Tanong pa ba yan? Ang kulit ko lang na. So I think that's it, guys. If you have some questions, then feel free to ask. Else, I'm gonna end this stream in 1 minute. Kasi wala na ako masyadong not looking. Currently, chill lang. Chill lang sa ngayon. Hmm? Let me just turn. So I think that's it, guys. If you don't have any more questions, then I'm gonna end this stream. Disclaimer: trading and investing have risks, so always do your own research and trade cautiously. Bye, guys.